Ready to do some hiking on the Ice Age Trail? Hey, how's it going? Welcome to Breeze in the Pines. My name is Richard, and we are on the Ice Age Trail in northern Wisconsin. And this is the Indian Creek segment. It's about 5.4 miles. We're only going to here today, which is about 3 miles, and then we'll finish up in the morning. So there's no dispersed camping in this first section. I don't know how far that's going to be. So the lesson is camp at the Mackenzie Creek Trailhead, or a little bit into the woods there, and you'll be fine. The bench, not too far into the trail. It's an interesting spot for a blaze. So one of my managers, who's from Michigan, I had people convinced that you need a fall kit, because during the fall, all the leaves fall at the same time, and you can get buried under a pile of leaves. You know, so you got your little flag and stuff you can poke up so people know where you are. I don't know if they believed us. So we got some awfully strange looks. Okay, we're at mile 54.9. And according to the map, this road is about to end, and that's where the dispersed camping starts again. That was our first climb in a while. It's been pretty flat for quite a ways. Should have brought my bug spray. Didn't think I'd need it in late September. I stopped to change my battery and got swarmed by mosquitoes. Good spot for this sit down. Okay, break's over. I hope you did something constructive during that break, like hitting the like button. That would be awesome. IAT humor. Kind of like on the Appalachian Trail. There's some shelters with stickers that look like wall outlets. Well, it's been really cruisy up until now. Alright. Where's the escalator? Okay, we're at mile 56.8. And according to the map, we're still in the dispersed camping segment. Once we get into the Polk County line, there's no camping. Well, that's further up the trail a little bit, I believe. I like how they put these benches on the top of the climbs. Much appreciated for those of us who are out of shape. I don't know if they've done logging in through here or what the deal is. Probably logging. Alright, I'm at mile 57.1. This is where far out says there's a Leopold bench. I see some tree stumps. I didn't see no bench. And there's the car. Alright, that's it for today's hike. We did 8.11 miles. We did the northern half of the Mackenzie Creek and the western half of the Indian Creek. It's time for a post-hike Coke Zero, and we'll see you tomorrow to finish our hike. Good morning, or actually good afternoon. Took a slack day today. We'll be doing 2.5 miles to finish up the Indian Creek segment. And this morning I went over to the Minnesota side and saw Minnesota's Interstate Park, which is really cool. We ain't wasted no more time. Let's get right into it. So this is a little kettle lake. It's the headwaters of the Indian Creek. So kettle lakes are formed when a chunk of ice breaks off from the glacier and gets covered in sediment. So when the glacier retreats and all the ice melts, the sediment that formed on top sinks to the bottom and creates these little kettles. Well, it's a beautiful day to go walking in the woods. The trail's been mostly flat today. Alright, first registry I've seen on trail. So I've been watching Goob on YouTube. Excellent video, shows a lot of the trail. Just passed a couple other day hikers. You don't see too many people on the trail, but there are some. I think birch trees are cool. There's the car. And that was the Indian Creek segment. About a 5.4 mile segment. We did about 2 and 2.3 today. It's been a great day for a hike. I hope you've enjoyed it. I certainly have. We got some more hiking to come.